Hey guys, this is Eric from Auto Diagnostics. Today we have a 2002 Toyota Camry. Uh, Customer complained the vehicle doesn't start. Let's do a quick diagnostic on the starter. Vehicle does not crank, doesn't do anything. So, actually, no, it does. It does cranks. I mean, it doesn't crank. You could just hear a weird noise on the starter. So, let's take a look at it. So, as you guys can see, I have my, my jump starter over here. Push the button, activate the starter. Let's see if what the customer is saying is true though. Sorry. So, I have my connection from this directly to battery, okay, and then I'm gonna have the other end of it. Yeah, end of it connect. Sorry guys, it was just a little bit harder to do with my phone and trying to connect everything. Okay, so look, here's my jump starter or my remote starter. Here's my mother box. Okay, so what I do here is connect it directly to the battery power, and then if you do know the diagram, you know that this is the positive. This is the positive for the that comes from the battery. All right, when you turn the key on, you get a voltage over here, get a magnetic field, and this one drops to this other end of the starter. All right, and then that's how you start the car. You crank it, right? So now this thing is not doing that. Look, all right, you guys can see. Got the power here now. Now hear this thing, okay? Other starter right there. Ignition on. It should start. You hear that? That's the noise that the customer is complaining for, and the car is not starting. So, at this point, I don't have to check fuses or computer signal or anything, because I know I'm getting power from the ignition, and I know I'm getting power through here. It's just that the little motor went bad. So we're gonna replace the starter. And I replace it with the Denso. Alright. And that will be the end of it. So guys, if you wanna take this a step further, here's the starter, okay? This, when you turn the key on, I'm supposed to get voltage over here. Voltage from the ignition, comes over here, goes to this one, and it cranks the car. Now, when you turn it on, this shaft is supposed to come on like this and spin. Okay? So what this is doing, it spins, but it just stays here. You guys want to test this out? Let's check it out. Watch this. Put it over here. Alright. Little wire over there, because I'm trying to hold the phone down while recording. Alright, and then we're gonna ground it, right? Then we're gonna ground it. Alright, check the shaft, okay? You got this? The shaft doesn't come out, meaning that inside the motor something's wrong. Okay? And that's how you diagnose a starter. Alright guys. I already knew the starter was bad, but I want to show you guys how you can bench test the starter. That's how you do it. Alright. With the new starter replaced, let's see if the car turns on. So everything's already fixed, as you guys can see. Let's see. Oh yes, you heard that? Vehicle finally turns on. We're ready to go.